right? Okay, we will do without pen and paper addition, subtraction and multiplication.
Yes.
We have numbers, right? 0 to 9, what we call numerals, right? We have 1 digit number, 2 digit number, 3 digit number, 4 digit numbers, right?
Numerals.
Right. Okay, without pen and paper we are doing activity. Okay students. Okay, just today we do between the numbers, we do the activity numbers between 0 to 99. We can do activity between 0 to 99 without pen and paper, just we do additions, subtractions and small multiplication. Okay, say okay. Right. Okay, I will ask randomly who will tell first. Okay, 20 plus 30.
50.
Very good. 50 plus 20.
70.
Very good. 70 minus 10.
60.
13 plus 17. 13. 1 3 plus 17.
13 plus 17. 30.
How much?
30.
Very good. 30 minus 13. 30 minus 13.
12.
Rag.
What's that? 30 minus 13.
Do. Just don't use pen, paper. Just use your brain.
17.
Very good. 17. Already we did here. 13 plus 17. 30. Again I will do minus 13 here. Which number will come? Okay. Very good. Okay. 7 into 7.
49.
Very good. 9 into 1.
9.
Very good. 35 into 1.
35.
17 plus 21.
17 plus 21.
38.
Very good. 38 minus 12.
Sir, move. 26.
Very good.
26.
Right? 14 to the.
14 to 28.
Very good. 17. Sorry. 7.
15 table here.
7. 8 ja.
7 8 56.